All right, so now we're going to do a little bench testing with the CVLIFE EagleBlaze 5 to 25 by 56, and I've got uh, a sample target down there at 100 yards, and we are going to run it through like a box test and show you a little bit of through the scope footage of what the glass looks like. So let's go ahead and get this going. Get this camera set back up somewhere where it can capture the turrets. All right, and so what we've got right now is I am at 0 and 0. Hopefully that's being picked up on, and I am centered up pretty much horizontally to the top of the target, and vertically not quite center but pretty darn close. So I am going to run it up and down, left and right a couple of times, and see if it looks like the picture winds back up where it's currently at right now when I get the turrets back to 0. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go, we'll start with the elevation, and let's go so that's one full revolution or 20 minutes, and I'm almost at the bottom of the target. But let's take it all the way to the bottom here. All right, that looks pretty good to me. All right, now let's do some either left or right here. Let's go, we'll put left wind on it to start with. And where it looks to me, at least through the side mounted camera here, we're pretty close to the other edge. Let's come back up. Oop, other way. So we just passed 0 again, and if I stop on 0, I should be right at the top of the target, and it looks like we are. Let's come the other way. All right, that looks good to me there. And let's go down. Oop, wrong way. Pretty close. And back to center. Or we'll actually just zero it back to 0 on the scale. And now let's come back up. And stop on 0. And I don't know. You tell me, but to me, that looks like it stopped right back on the exact same spot. So it did a box test pretty well. The turrets are clearly audible. Again, I am talking through a shirt-mounted camera a good 18 inches away from the turrets right now. But let's go ahead and let's play with the magnification just a little bit. So that everything I just showed you there was at 6 power. So this is going to be, and this is stiff. I hope yeah, I did. I moved it. Yep, I'm moving it all over. So that's 8 power, 10 power, 12, 15, and the side-mounted side shot camera mounting system is getting hung up on the magnification ring there. So that's going to be a bust for trying to put that in, but I think you get the idea. Anyway, 15 is all the magnification you need to begin with. So let's also take a look at what happens here when we turn on the illumination. It has a 6-step illumination that is turned off. That's 1. I don't think we're going to see anything, even though it's an overcast day. It's not that bright. 2, 3, 4, 5, And now on 6, I can clearly see it. I can actually see the red center portion of the crosshairs. It looks like out to about a minute in each direction, up, down, left, and right. I can see the red protruding even with the orange target background there. So that's pretty good for daylight. So go ahead and click that off. And yeah, so far my impression of this is it is a really, really nice scope for the price point. I am going to take it off of my little bench-mounted gizmo here. I'm going to mount it up to a rifle and shoot it a little bit at 50 and 100 yards. So I'll be right back with you.